Myself, Dr. Roshan Sharma. I am from Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Bokaro, and I am receiving a International Best Teacher Award, and I am very fortunate to be associated with SOF. I am associated with SOF since a very long period, and my son is also benefited with that. He was state topper throughout the year, and now at present he has completed AIMS, medical from AIMS, Bhubaneswar, and going to appear for different tests, different competitive exams. But in my school, around 4 to 5,000 students are appearing for the test, and the result is also very nice. So a lot of students are benefited for that. And this is the basic preparation for competitive exams, engineering and medical and all. So those students, those who are from the very beginning, those who are getting good rank here, they are benefited in competitive exams.